Welcome back to the channel. It is a very hot summer Sunday. Summer Sundays in New York means cars and coffee in Greenpoint, so I'm going back there. But I've fiddled around with my GoPro settings and I'm going to try double the frame rate and a little bit less resolution and see how that looks. So we'll give it a test, see how it goes. Got a good amount of dark clouds up in the sky. Hopefully it doesn't get rainy. Pretty cool though. I'm regularly hitting 36 plus miles an hour, especially when I'm on like a little bit of a downhill. Bike is quick, man. Hang out here for a minute. Really looked like it was about to rain. The clouds are super dark overhead. Alright, looks like these clouds are harmless, so I'm gonna keep moving.
Yeah, it's a Queens thing. 2-5, word up. Gaddafi, the next life. Yeah, Thug Paradise. No doubt. Check it out. Yeah. Hey, yo, son, let me put you on what happened, how it went down. Check it. Son, word up. Yo, TV's in the headrest, Sega Entertainment. Push the Lex Land on the way to my arraignment. TA got a witness, lawyer can't explain it. Face the judge, on some money, maintain shit. Like Caesar, 100 grand on the visa. Took the stand, suddenly caught amnesia. Found him in the warehouse, tied in the freezer. That's the life of a thug when he hold heaters. Willies, up north turn to dick beaters. Sending flicks to any bitch that'll feed us. 360 ways with the shell top Adidas. The black Jesus, Lebanon, remain calm. Rockin' stay green, sippin' on Dawn. Arabic link, Cartier on the arm. Nigga fresh off work release. Hercules, nigga fuck the D's. We blazing trees, Capone bag the keys. Let's move like a gypsy, it's hot out here. Relocate to Poughkeepsie. Feds play the roof in the hood trying to hit me. Snakes on the block wanna sip more with me. The life of a thug wasn't made right. When I die, leave a bottle of Dawn by the gravesite. The tombstone let the record show I was sinning. Lay me in the earth with the almighty linen white. Living on the edge of life. Criminal type thugs who love to pull a heist. Move shites, living in these days of tripe. Rockin' 4-carat ice in Thug Paradise. Thug Paradise. In Thug Paradise.
One for the money, two for a villain. Street for Willie's holding millions. Four-wheeler with no feeling. Shit, my resident. QB settlement. Hit him on the hill, Jake wonder where the metal went. Jump in the act, the raid, then blast the train. Borders aid for those who passed away. My whole clique shining like a diamond. While I records out, fake niggas see the dick rhyming. Mighty Chrome, we got a song. On the room, we had a song. We chat and touch like a flow phone. I said, recorder, why you get extorted? I think I'm like sticking
Some kind of race going on here on Kent. I better get off. I don't want to fucking interrupt this race. As a runner, I know seeing someone in a bike going the other way right at you, that's no fun. I fucking can't stand Williamsburg. Always some sort of road closure. Always a shit show. Thanks. Buses. What's up?
Hey, what up, bro? How you doing?
I don't know if you saw, there were a couple of really awesome cars pulling out.
I got attacked the other night on my bike. Almost killed.
Whoa, what's the occasion?
Someone was clubbing people.
No, so I was riding back to Kelvin, like midnight. And so there's the CRV that's like riding, and there's like two or three guys hanging out the right side. I think it's sort of the traffic cone that they had. Missed me. And then the second one, Kelvin was right in front of me. Smacked Kelvin in the back with it. And then you know me, I'm getting the safety. I don't want any part of that.
Yeah.
Kelvin whips out his U-lock and chases him down, and I'm like, I'm not giving chase. So I hit up Kelvin 5 minutes later once I got to safety somewhere, what I thought was safety. And I said, yo, let's meet at Flushing Meadows. That was fucked up. Like, I'm safe. Like, just let me know.
Damn.
And then he's like, all right, cool, I'll meet you at Flushing Meadows. As I'm riding the Flushing Meadows, 10 minutes later, like a good probably 4 miles away, I'm riding down like, maybe my fault, and I knew it was a bad idea when I got onto it. It was like more of like a highway straight where there was it wasn't meant for bikes.
Right.
I like followed this other Chinese delivery guy on it. And then all of a sudden I hear someone behind me in this quadrant slam on the gas. And I turn around, and within a half a second, I see it's the same CRV with the same guys hanging out the window. Dude, I tell you what, when I look back like that, I thought I was dead. I thought, oh, that's it. They think I'm Kelvin. That just
chased them down.
And they're gonna run me over. And there was no it was just like.
Oh, thank you so much.
Here,
appreciate it.
And then highway, right? Luckily, wasn't in the mood to kill me. So the guy smacked me in the back of the head with that traffic cone, and it kind of didn't daze me, but it hurt.
Dude, that's
hard. It hurt.
Hey, especially at the speed they're going.
It hurt. It was big enough that it left like a nice mark on my back. It hit my head and my back at the same time. So after
So you got hit twice?
I got hit once. Kelvin got hit once.
Kelvin, but they looped around to try to get people more than once.
I saw them hit 4 or 5 other bikers in front of me.
Unfucking
They were just on a
believable.
rampage.
Man.
And they were like maybe in
That's when you need
teenagers.
someone who's got like the Suron who could chase, or like the Cake who could chase them
It wasn't
down.
teenagers either. It was like 20-year-olds. I was like, what?
Should have grown out of that like a long time.
What is that?
Yeah, that's fucked
So yeah, I
up.
went and filed a police report.
It kind of broke off already. It started at 10.
Oh,
But it was so hot.
Is that the G Master lens on there?
Yeah.
Nice. What's up?
People that piss them off.
Right in
How's it
time
going?
for the rain.
I know, right? Again.
Wow.
No one here.
No, it's been dead. Texas is gonna roll by.
It's been like this all day.
Yeah, 1 or 2 cars trickling in and out. That's a new vet.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, no,
I thought when it rolled in, I thought it was an exotic too.
No, they're cool cars. Like for the price, I mean, I don't know how much they are now.
And all the
When that
ladies are like,
generation
"Oh."
first came out, I was like, this is a no-brainer.
And on
Yep.
Get that over all sorts of.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Because it was
Especially
like
pound for pound.
I think it was
Because
like,
you could tune it up so quickly, and you'll be beating all the imports.
Yeah, because I think it was like 70 or something when
Yeah.
it initially came out, which is expensive but cheap for.
Yeah, for a good sports car.